In this video, we'll show you how to disable the vertical app drawer introduced in the 1.7 update and bring back the horizontal app drawer layout. Don't like vertical scrolling? Here's how to switch back. On your home screen, tap the three-dot icon at the bottom of the app drawer. Tap on Sort. Select Custom Order. That's it. Your app drawer will now switch to the horizontal scrolling layout, just like it used to be. You can now swipe left or right to navigate through your apps. Want to revert to the vertical app drawer? If you decide to switch back to vertical scrolling, tap the three-dot menu again. Choose Sort. Then select Alphabetical Order. This will bring back the vertical app drawer with apps sorted A, Z.